As a person with mild cerebral palsy and mild autism, or was it Asperger's syndrome, one of my, the hyper-focused special interests is astronomy, and of course it is coming up on midnight here in my town of Salem, New Hampshire, and I'm just outside in the driveway. And first off, whenever you look up into the night sky, everything that you see in the night sky, the stars, our moon, and the planets, you're actually seeing them as they were in the past, because light has the finite speed of approximately 300,000 kilometers per second. And the moon is only like 250,000 kilometers away. So it's really about, almost 300,000 kilometers away. So he's seeing the moon, for example. Of course, this is a moonless night, because it's that part of the lunar orbital cycle where the moon is, between the Earth and the Sun. And of course, you see the moon as it was about a second or second and a half in the past. If you go further out to look at the planet Jupiter and its 4 Galilean satellites, the 4 major satellites of Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, you are seeing them as they were almost about an hour in the past. So if you look up now, as you look at Jupiter, as coming up toward midnight, of course now, you're actually seeing them as they were exactly at around 11 p.m., in the past. You go to, further out toward Neptune, and it's like 4 hours in the past. You go 4 or 5 hours in the past. You go further out to Pluto, it's like 9 hours in the past that you see Pluto if you look at it immediately right now. But if you go further out, things get a lot, that the time differential is a lot greater, in that you see the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, as it was 4.3 years in the past, or was it 4 and 4 months in the past ago, when, back in, the 2013, and you go further out to the center of our galaxy, which is, of course, the backbone of night. You can see it arc across the sky, our Milky Way galaxy, and the center of our galaxy is 30,000 years in the past, and you're actually and the largest telescopes in the world see the black hole, the massive, supermassive black hole that has 4 million times the mass of our home star, the sun. We're seeing it as it was 30,000 years ago, before there were ever any cities anywhere on planet Earth, and no agriculture. You know, that so that looking out into space, you are looking back into time.